Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Brandon, and today we're going to be building a rustic coat rack, so stick around. Good afternoon, guys. So for those of you that are regular subscribers or routinely watch my channel, you'll know that I just built a coat rack. So you're probably saying to yourself, why are you building another one? That coat rack is right behind me now. I'll put a link to that build at the end. It was industrial style coat rack. That initially wasn't intended to go in my workshop. That was actually going to be hanging in my entry area. But my wife didn't like it, I guess, as much as I liked it. So that led back to the drawing board. I think we've had a meeting of the minds, so we're going to build a new coat rack. And I didn't really want to accept that at first, but you know, hey, that's what this all boils down to. We all have different tastes, and we kind of have to accept sometimes that maybe it's just not going to look right in the space. It looks great in the workshop, right? It looks great when it's on your bench, but maybe when you go to put it up in place, it just doesn't kind of quite fit. So, but I will say it certainly fits the theme of the shop, right? I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit different materials. It's probably going to try to image maybe more of the industrial style tables I did, because that you do see kind of as you enter into our home. So it kind of is going to tie it all together. So sometimes you just got to chalk it up and say, hey, you know what? It was a fun build, but they can't all be winners, right? So with that being said, let's get going. Alright guys, I want to show you about another little handy tool to have for the workshop. Let me bring you in. So the way this works is you just find the angle that you want, then you lock down this little nut, and that'll create the angle that you're looking for. So in this instance, I want to get the angle of this so I can duplicate it. And as you can see, it's a very difficult part to get the angle on, but we're going to fudge it. We're going to get it as close as we can get it. So that looks pretty close. I'll just lock this thumb screw down, and what I'll do is I'll transfer that angle onto the other spikes.
Bound only by frozen memories. It's hard racing on these broken dreams.
So it's probably not clear in the video, but these right here, I notched them out using a 7/8 Forstner bit, but unfortunately the video camera died. So just wanted to show you that little detail because you're probably wondering how this next step's going to go, but that was an important step for you to know about. So let's get back to it.
You and I got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name, or you say her name? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm going to bring you in. I want to show you a little neat trick when it comes to drilling holes in countersinks using a Forstner bit if you've already pre-drilled your hole. Alright guys, so say that I wanted to take this hole and counterbore it, not all the way through, but just a little ways through. Well, you can see this bit right here has a starter point on it. Well, that's going to flop all around. So what you do is drill a hole in a piece of scrap, and then you take that, line that up over your hole, and that'll work as a guide to keep your Forstner bit from skipping all around and making all kinds of tracks. This is a real slick and easy way of doing this. That's all there is to it. If this is something that you like, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share it up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I hope I kind of cleared that up about using the Forstner bit around those nuts. That was to make the relief around those nuts so that I could secure those boards to the perimeter. So I want to thank you guys for watching. My channel has been really blowing up a lot lately, so I want to thank you guys for your support. I really enjoy the engagement. I like reading the comments, and I try to reply to every one of them. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel and giving me your time, and please subscribe. See ya.